Está recording.
To check it.
I send the guys now to check that there is no any leak. Everything there in the generator is okay. The level of the oil and everything before start of the DP operations. So now we start all generators. Okay. We were sailing, so now we will pass from sailing to DP mode before test the FIFI system. So now we have everything, all the boost ties closed, even the boost ties here for the 440. Okay. So what we will do, we will start to open the. Now we will start to give power to the bow thrusters. Start the bow thrusters, then we will start to split the boost ties. One by one. This will be the last. And after that, we will connect the oil transformer to start to supply power to the 440. So let's wait a little bit for the guys to come. Just to be sure that everything is okay. So everything will be done by the normal operation mode. Once we finish with all the arrangement manually, we will pass to DP Split-Busbar mode in order to give the system the DP2 configuration. Because if we are not working in this configuration, in case of a problem in any bus bar, we will expect to have, for example, now we are like this with this split, okay, and suddenly we have a problem here. In the normal operation mode, this will close automatically, and this generator will number 3 will start to supply power to this bus bar. But in order to avoid that, because this is not. We can say this is not safe in case, for example, we have here a short circuit. Yeah, one short circuit here. This will affect the other one if we close the boost tie. So that's why we need to be in this mode, DP split boost mode. In this way, we will avoid to close this boost bar, this boost tie. And then what is the only thing we need to do when we have any issue here? We need to start to pull out. That's it. Nothing will affect because we still have power for one BFD, with one thruster, bow thruster, one azimuth, and another bow thruster with the number 3. So nothing will happen. We will just pull out the vessel, and then we can control the situation, check what happened, and if everything is okay, there is no short circuit or nothing, we will start any generator. For example, if the issue was in the number 2, we can start the other one, or if there is an issue on the bus bar, we need to check what we can do. But for now, that is like the normal procedure if you have a failure in any bus bar. As you see here, we have bus bar A, bus bar B, bus bar C. The vessel is split in 3 bus bars for 690. 690 is supplying power to main thruster. Bus bar 8 for main thruster 1, bow thruster 1, and one transformer. And another transformer for diving an ROV bus bar. Then bus bar B, we have the bow thruster number 3 and one transformer for supplying power to 440 bus bar E. Okay? Yes, tell me. Yeah.
You can connect.
Yeah, just let me finish playing. So, and the bus bar C, we have the main thruster 2, bow thruster 2, one main transformer supplying power to the 440, and another for the diving 440 switchboard. Okay. So now we will proceed to connect the power to the bow thruster. So starting from this one, only we need to close. Okay. Now we have power in the bow thruster 2. Bow thruster 3, close, and 1. Now we have power in the bow thruster, so we will proceed to call the bridge and inform them that we are ready. They can start the thruster. to inform once they finish.
After finish, this inform us.
Yeah. Now they should start the thrusters. Once they start the thrusters, we can start to open the boost ties. This one. Okay, to split the boost bars. We start to prepare the vessel for DP mode. The next step, bow thrusters. Give power to the bow thrusters. Okay. Okay. Number 3 are ready. Number 1 are ready. Number 2 are ready. Okay. So inform it that we will start to split the boost bars once they finish.
Again, sorry? You can press both push button on the monitor to switch on the camera. To do that. To switch on the
No problem. This system. Now they should be able to start and then connect to the DP system. Okay, so a part of that, here we have two boost bars to fit 440, one boost type. This is powered by two transformers, main transformer 1 and 2. Okay, and after this we have another two boost bars for 240. Passing by the transformer 1 and 2. Okay, so just for your information, also here you can see the shore supply. This is only used when we are alongside and we are, for example, doing any maintenance and we need to have power by the shore. So here we can connect. Then we have the harbor generator. In this vessel we have the possibility to fit the system 440 volts with the harbor generator. So this is only used when we are in the alongside any shipyard or dock or whatever. And connected to the boost bar D, you have one source of power coming from the boost bar D to feed the emergency switchboard. And the emergency switchboard, you have connected all emergency equipment related to the vessel, and also have another transformers to transform the power to 220 for the rest of the equipment. Also fed by 220 UPS, navigational equipment, any equipment related to navigation will be fed by this one. This is the other source of power. And in case that we have an issue, also we have the emergency generator. The emergency generator will also feed all the system for 440 to the vessel and to the emergency switchboard in case of full blackout. Are ready? They are going. Okay. Now we are just waiting for the bridge to pass the control to the DP system.
I think that in the system the breaker for the switch one is not showing.
Yeah, actually this is these ones are closed, but this is just some mimics that needs to be changed once we arrive, to be done by Praxis. This is the name of the brand of the DP system that we have here, but they are informed. They just need to make some changes. So for this one to be shown that they are closed, but this is actually closed. This is very important to know. Also these ones are closed. This is the only one open because the generator is not feeding now the emergency switchboard. So this one are wrong, but actually all of these are closed. All of these 6 breakers. Okay. Also the transformers, also these ones are closed. These ones and these ones are closed. But it's just a matter of change. Also this one here. The only issue that we have here is that these 3 breakers cannot be closed at the same time. There is an interlock. This is to avoid any damage to the transformers. So in this situation, what we need to do, we need to open this one. Obviously we will have a partial blackout here, okay, and then we can close the transformers, and then in that situation we will start to have power here and nothing will happen. This will be keep open. We will have power supplied to the bus bar E by this transformer and to bus bar D by this transformer. So it will not affect in nothing. The only point here is that this is something that we need to check is okay. So now we have received the call from the bridge, so we can start to split the bus bars. So let's start. No. Open. Okay. Now we have power. This one. Then open this one. Okay. Everything is okay. Now this is the point that we will have, as I said, because of the condition of this vessel, we will have the partial blackout. Okay. Open. Nothing will happen. Then start to close. Okay. Very good. Everything is recovered now. Okay. We are now in a split, completely split, all systems, and then we will pass to DP Split-Busbar mode to give the vessel the condition of DP, okay? That's it. We are ready. We are ready. Should be not. Here you can see the arrangement of the pumps for all equipment. Azimuth, it's a water cooling pump, fresh water cooling pump. This is port side azimuth, starboard azimuth, DG number 1 and 2 alternator, water cooling and fresh water cooling for 1 and 2, number 3 and number 4 and 5. You have also bow thrusters 1, 2 and 3, fresh water cooling and seawater cooling. Here you have the option to work in auto mode, okay, in case that you have any issue, any problem in this pump. The other one will be start automatically. Okay, this you can see the option auto. You can work it in manual also and reset. Okay, duty means that the pump is already working and the condition of the standby is already activated. This is for all pumps. Okay, so now we are in the DP full. Now we are going to proceed to test the FIFI system. So in this condition, we will transfer the control to normal operation. Okay. You see what I told you? You need to keep this one like this. Okay. So this is what I told to the captain. For example, now the system is checking that everything is the load is too much. Okay. So what will happen if I remove this one? They will start to stop 2 generators. You see, by itself they will stop and disconnect. So the power is available to keep the condition of the vessel in DP, even if we are going to test the FIFI. So now automatically they will stop 1 and 5. Now the setting is activated. Okay, we'll start to give the load. Okay, 1 and 5. Then now I will keep this one just in case. They will have the cool down and then stop by itself. And once everything is ready, we will proceed to the bridge to start the FIFI system from there. I will record there also. Suppose this number 1 and number 5 will stop automatically. So in case they're not, we can stop from here. This is not a problem. Let's check. Yeah. Like I told the captain, you have power here, you have power here, you have power here. Even if you are in DP, as you see, the load from the engines, the system is checking that now the load is enough only to have 1 generator running. So you don't need to have the 2 generators running in the FIFI mode. Okay. So wait a little bit more. Stop it. Number 5 also. Okay. Very good. So we will keep like this. Okay. For now, we will keep in this situation. This will not go, because why? Because you need power here, need power here, need power here. Even if this is this one is not activated, it will not stop any generator, because you need power here, because now you are feeding thrusters. Okay, so this will not activate. Okay, so let's go to continue with the FIFI upstairs in the beach. So we will start first. Open FIFI suction valve. Okay, this one. This one. Please call Rodrigo and ask him if the valves are already open. Suction.
Similar system, just in digital and touch. And the last ship switched like this.
We need to wait once the valve is open.
Steady green.
Steady green means that it's open.
Oye, vieja. Oye, ¿puedes ir a checar si las válvulas de succión de la FIFI abrieron?
Las dos.
Las dos, por favor.
Coffee later.
Me echan una llamada.
Ahorita.
Ahí.
Okay, now it's steady. We need to wait for them to check that the valves are open. You see, close FIFI bond discharge. This one should be closed for now. Only the bypass open. Okay, thank you. You can wait in here. Okay, now make sure ready for FIFI lamp. Okay, close FIFI is already closed. Anyhow, it's already closed. The bypass is open. Make sure ready for FIFI lamp on panel is illuminated. Still not. Okay. We will request for FIFI. Check the system. Should we change the condition of the generator? Okay, make sure ready for FIFI lamp on panel is illuminated. Start the pump for the control panel. Okay.
Inclusive, se supone que tú vas a llegar a un punto de donde vas a atacar el incendio, vas a llegar en full DP. Vas a plantar y vas a hacer todo este desmadre, ya estás en DP. Ya está todo estabilizado, ya no te estás acercando, ya no te estás moviendo.
It should be. I am remembering now.
Hasta medio de hechizo, seguro.
Sí, está abierto, yo lo veo. Now I will proceed to clutching. Now we have the ready for FIFI. Okay, this one.
¿Cuánto marca? ¿Cuánto marca? Méteselo. Aquí. Chill.
Immediately water. Okay, it's going the other one. I will clutch in the other one. You can start to take videos.
La gearbox te marca 24 watts.
This is the sprinkler system. Going to take videos. Que le tome foto y video.
Tómale foto y video, por favor. Tómale foto y video a las presiones, los clutch y de agua. A los clutch más que nada. Dale foto.
Now we can see the sprinkler system running now. Sprinkler system for the vessel. Sprinkler system is running. Sprinkler system running. We start to have water in the monitors now. All sprinkler system is working. All sprinkler system. Yes, working very fine. Working very fine. Okay. So let's proceed with the rest. Everything is working very good.
Water is coming from
Yeah.
from another side.
Actually, now we have water in the monitors, right? Okay. Okay. Very good. Now, Yeah, it's already clutch. It's water coming from the monitor. Yeah. Okay, so we are ready. We will going to open the discharge valve. Okay.
Yes.
So I will open the discharge valve for the number 1. And number 2. Now should we start to go a little bit stronger?
Yes.
Yeah?
Start coming. Yeah, start little bit.
Yeah, no. But now I will engage full.
Yes. Yeah, no, full.
Now we are ready.
We need to open to right, move.
Yeah?
Right, left.
Yeah, I will do.
But under monitor, شوفوا under monitor to check the navigation light. Navigation light. Yes. We need to check together. Okay, you can move right, left.
Yeah. Can you check how much we are now? I mean the. Stay. Now we have both of them. This is for the monitor on the port side. Now we are checking the monitor from starboard side. Starboard side. Okay. Now I sent to close the valve, so we will. Okay. Then the next, as per the instruction, we need to take out the clutch. Okay. So out, clutch out. Okay. Wait a little bit. There is no water coming, right? No water coming at all? Okay. Now close. We will keep like this better, and we will proceed to stop the generator.
Sí, güey, la regla dice es clásica, clara. Tú como operador sabes que vas a hacer el regalo de chica, y eso dice a veces.
Captain, what will you test the engine down?
Sorry?
We will test the engine down.
You will see, for me, no problem. We have to do it because he's. Yeah. Tomorrow he will need to be keeping work. So we can test it for now. Yeah, for me. No, vamos a tratarlo,
Okay, now I need to remove the.
ahorita es el momento.
Now we remove the request for FIFI.
Sí, pero no siempre no es lo que está bien ahorita.
Okay, now we can stop it.
No vale mucho.
Yeah. No, now it's
Oiga, de la cuarta.
automatic. Increase the speed and connect. Should be
What is this? What's this?
Ah, la verga, los patos.
Quería probar.
Come on. Mejor. Come on. Come on, guys.
No, we need to advise a little bit, my friend.
Yes, but we can't even.
But you think that this sound come from the generator? No, I never have heard some generator, something like that. Something like that.
Okay, now, this is another point. So, once I send the PDB request, I'll put it down.
Maybe.
But when we remove the request for FIFI, the generators increase the RPM and connect to the bus bar. Yeah, now it's connected. Yeah. No, by itself, automatically. This is what I told you. Should be we need to review the system overview, because normally, as I remember, you should, once you set there to stop, it will stop the generator, and then you can we need to just double check. I will check with the procedure of the function.
Háblale a la putita si va a querer bajar el bote. Porque quería grabar.
Let's go.
Chico, you can bring us some photos for the twin deck.
Now we will close the valves for the suction, and we are finished here. Now everything is set as normal. We can check here. The system now is coming back to normal operation, DP operation. Okay. Okay. Now what we can do? We will remove the DP Split mode. We will go to normal operation. But before, I will put this. No, I cannot. I will put normal operation. Okay. Now automatically we'll stop 2 generators. Okay? Nothing will happen. Just wait. Tell them to stop the low thrusters and then to call me back to switch off the power. Nothing will happen.
What is the circuit breaker?
Un forro en mis pantalones, yo creo.
Yeah, recording. Which circuit breaker? Ah, the generator.
Yeah.
The generator.
Oh, you already
disconnect.
on it.
Yeah. As I'm telling you, the system is you know, is working very fine because it's detecting that the load is too much, so we will stop one generator on each bus bar. Disconnected the both thrust. Ask them if we can already call it.
The 3, huh?
Okay. Wait. Okay, both thruster 2, disconnect, open. Both thruster 3, open. And stop number 1 should be stop number 5. Okay, now we will synchronize the bus ties.
The bus tie. A and B.
Okay, close. This is the slave and this is the master. Okay, it will start to close automatically, synchronizing and close. And the other one.
Bus C, bus B.
Okay, slave. Okay. And then the master. Close. It will synchronize also. And we will stop one generator. We'll activate this one.
This is in number 3. You want it?
I will stop number 3. Okay, now it's closed. Okay.
We can see that.
No, wait. Give me 1 minute. Then we will number 2, number 4. Okay, open. And we will stop. It actually was very low. The temperature is on number 3. Okay.
You can see that.
Okay, down to, yeah, they can start.
You can see that.
Now we will go like this with the 2 transformers connected, okay? So nothing will affect the
You live.
sailing.
Yeah, better.